This one, a murder mystery.
The family of a 27-year-old man found buried along train tracks on the city's south side is demanding answers now. Isaiah Hall was killed last spring. His family says his body was discovered with his arms and legs missing.
NBC5's Nguyen sat down with his sister today as family and police try to figure out who would do this.
Isaiah didn't deserve that. It's heartbreaking.
Quandra Banks is overcome with emotions, breaking down in tears just thinking about her brother Isaiah Hall. It's been nearly 9 months since he was murdered.
He deserved justice, and I just want to know what happened to him. I want to know who did it.
Banks first reported her brother missing in May of 2025 after she couldn't get a hold of him. Police say his decomposing body was later discovered along train tracks near 93rd and Drexel in the Burnside neighborhood.
The way they found him, I can't get that out of my head. I can't stop thinking about it.
Detectives told her family a train worker found him and called 911. Hall's body was halfway buried in a shallow hole in the wooded area. His legs and arms were missing.
The faces was just like disgusted and like just in disbelief, like same with me. It's just unbelievable, like something straight out of a horror movie.
Hall was found just 2 blocks away from where he was staying with other family members. Chicago police have not said whether a person of interest or a suspect has been identified yet, only that they're actively investigating. Banks says her brother was trying to get his life together, looking for stable housing and employment. He spent time in California and Nebraska before moving back to Chicago.
He didn't like to argue. He didn't like nobody to raise their voice. Even though he had a deep voice, he was a gentle giant, seriously. He loved music, he loved to laugh, he loved bike riding.
Banks now holding on to those pictures and memories of her brother and says she won't rest until his killer is caught.
It's the only reason why I'm keeping afloat, because I need to be here. I need to make sure he get justice. I need to make sure Isaiah get justice.
V1 NBC5 News.